Hi boys and girls, welcome to Writer's Workshop today. We are going to play a game with our sight words today, but there's a couple things we have to talk about first, okay? In this game, we are going to practice writing our sight words that we've already learned as quickly as we can. And that is a skill that you have to have in kindergarten. You not only have to be able to read your sight words, you need to be able to write them and write them quickly, because that means that you're recalling them from your brain. Okay, so something we're going to learn how to do this year is when I say a word, you're going to be able to know what it looks like before you ever write it, because it's a sight word. It's something you have to remember. You have to memorize it. You just kind of know what they look like, which is why we practice them so much. So that skill is called visualizing. And when you visualize something, you can picture it in your brain. Okay, so for example, let's practice. I want you to visualize a tree. So close your eyes, and in your brain, do you see a tree? Good. Okay, let's try again. All right. This time, I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to visualize a cat. Do you see a cat in your brain? Can you see a picture of what a cat looks like? Good. Okay, so we're going to do that, but with sight words. All right. So what I'm going to do, and this time I will help you with this. I will help you by writing them up here, okay? I am going to pull a sight word out of my bucket, all right? And when I pull it out, I'm going to read it. And then you are going to write it down. So if you don't have it near you, I need you to go get three things. I need you to get your whiteboard, which might just be your piece of paper that's in your plastic sleeve, your dry erase marker, and something to erase with. Okay, if you need to pause the video for a second to go get those supplies, that's fine. You can go do that. Okay, so I'm going to pull a word out, and when I pull it out, I read it, and then I want you to visualize it in your head, what it looks like, and write it as quick as you can on your whiteboard. Okay, I will help you this time by writing it as well, so you know what they look like. Are you ready? Am. Can you picture the word am? Think about what it looks like. Now you're going to write it as quick as you can. Remember, when we write, we go from left to right, okay? Get your word written down. Then you're going to put your finger under it and you're going to read it. Am. Good. All right, I'm going to erase that. We're going to do another one. Remember, this is as quick as you can. Here is our next word. Is. Can you picture it in your brain? Is. Let's write it. Is. Write it on your board as quick as you can. I first and then S. Once you're done and you've got it written down, I want you to point at it. I want you to read it. Is. Okay, let's erase it. I'm going to pull another sight word out. Are you ready? I. Can you picture it in your brain? Write it on your board. Write the word I. Remember, as soon as you're done, you point to it and you read it. I. Then erase it. Let's do another one. I'm going to pull a new word out. Remember, you need to visualize it inside your brain as soon as I say it. Then you can write it. Oh, I just got is again. We're going to pull a different one. Ready? Two. Two. You got it in your brain? Start writing it. Two. Make sure you read it as soon as you're done. And after you've written it and you've read it, then you get to erase it. Let's do another one. Do you know what it looks like? Write it on your board as quick as you can. And then read it. At. Once you've written it down as quick as you can and you've pointed to it and you've read it, what do? You erase it. So get your eraser and erase it. You want to make sure you erase super quick. You guys might notice I'm a speedy quick eraser. I want you guys to be speedy quick erasers too. All right, let's pull out another word. We're going to write it. The next word I need you to think about. Picture it in your brain. You're going to visualize it. See. See. As soon as you're ready, write it on your board. And then read it. See. Once you've written it and you've read it, you get to erase it. Remember, speedy quick. Okay, we're gonna do one more. You ready? The last one I need you to write is the word my. Can you picture it in your brain? My. Okay, write it on your board. And then read it as soon as you're done. My. All right, now you erase it. Speedy quick. Good job, boys and girls. Now, remember, you can continue to do this at home. You guys now have your own sight words at home that you can practice this game with, okay? You might need to cut them apart if you have not done that yet. But all you gotta do is put them into a container or in a pile on the table and pull it out and write it as quick as you can. And if you have an adult with you helping you, have them pull it out and tell you the word, and then you practice writing it. And the more you practice, the easier your words will get and the faster you'll be able to write them. Okay? Have fun, boys and girls. Bye.